Well, hello. We were glad to meet you and put together a customized plan to fix your home's issues. We also understand that fixing your home permanently requires a significant investment on your part, but that shouldn't prevent you from fixing what you know in your heart needs to be fixed. And you're not alone. Many homeowners lack the cash on hand to tackle a repair of this type. That's why we offer financing options for qualified customers that can allow you to fix your home and spread the cost over comfortable monthly payments that fit your budget. And speaking of cost, you should know that your home's problems will never be more affordable to fix than they are today. That's because no matter how much you hope, pray, or ignore them, we know that these problems only get worse with time. Plus, if you ever want to sell your home, you'll need to repair it. If you don't, you'll likely lose much more on the sale price than the cost of repairing it today. So, why not let us help you figure out a way to both take care of your problem and fit your budget? After all, this is your home we're talking about. More than your most valuable investment, it's where you live and raise a family, hang out with friends. And right now, you have in front of you a permanent solution to your problems that has been custom designed for your home and your home alone. So whether you want to make sure there are no issues when selling your home, or you're just tired of things not working as they should in your home, or you simply want to sleep better at night, just let us know, and we can get the ball rolling on this project today.